So today we're gonna make an original cocktail from Leandro called the Bitter Italian. If you're not familiar with Leandro, him and Marius run the YouTube channel, The Educated Barfly. You probably already know which channel that is. It's an amazing channel. So we're gonna try his original cocktail that he created many years ago, and that he even featured on his channel. We'll leave that video in the description. This is kind of a lower ABV cocktail that is all Italian-based liqueurs.
Right up my alley. Low ABV.
Low ABV. Yeah, let's just kind of get into the ingredients. We have lemon juice to help kind of balance all of this out. And there is no like sugar in here, except for you do have the Luxardo and the Aperol. So that's gonna be kind of your sweetener. Plus, for the most part, most Amari are sweet.
Also, yeah.
Also sweet. So Aperol is the little sibling to Campari. It's in that super orange, bitter aperitif category. It's just a little bit sweeter than Campari and a little bit more approachable if you're not familiar with it.
Right.
If you're not familiar with Campari. And then we have Amaro CioCiaro.
There you go.
Wow, a word I could not pronounce correctly.
Go figure.
So we have not been able to find this specific Amaro anywhere relatively close to us. We were in Dallas in November. We found it sitting on the shelves, and I wanted to get it because I know this specific drink I've always wanted to make the correct way. And I'm just interested in, obviously, Amaro. Let's just get into the drink. We're gonna start off with a ½ ounce of lemon juice, ½ ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, 3/4 ounce of Aperol, 1 1/4 ounces of CioCiaro. Add ice and shake hard for 10 to 12 seconds. And we're gonna double strain over a large ice rock and finish with a lemon twist. So just a quick little side note, the reason I double strain is I want to get all those ice chunks out of there so it just looks more clean of a cocktail. So I'm interested in trying it out.
I am
She's had a rough weekend.
hesitant.
Has nothing to do with the drink, she's had a rough weekend.
Oh, but the lemon is so nice.
Oh, wow.
That's interesting.
You're not a huge fan of a maraschino.
Absolutely not.
So,
To be quite frank, I'm not a fan of any of the ingredients except for the lemon juice. But that does make a very good cocktail. It's very balanced.
the maraschino is there, that nuttiness is there, but everything else helps like kind of rein it in so it's not overtaking the cocktail.
Right. Would I order this? No. But do I think you should? Absolutely.
You have to be kind of a fan of Amari
Yep.
and bitter notes to really like this cocktail, but it might be a good way to kind of start expanding that palate too,
Yes.
because there is a lot going on, but it's all very well balanced with the sweetness and that
Yes.
lemon juice.
Yes. It's like the safe version of a party.
Right, yeah.
But no, it's very good.
It's not your style of cocktail.
Correct.
It's up my alley for sure, because I really love Campari and bitter things, and just a great job, Leandro. I know it's in a book called Nightcaps, where this book published about after dinner or nightcaps.
This would be a lovely nightcap.
Right, exactly. It's low ABV, it hits those sweet tones, it hits that complexity,
Yes.
but it's not gonna just give you like this gut rock kind of feeling.
Right. The lemon really cuts the sweetness from the maraschino liqueur, from all of the ingredients.
Right. So for our comparison video, we're gonna compare 2 other Amari to CioCiaro and see if did Leandro pick the right Amaro. Cheers. Spoiler, he probably did.